Hello my friends. Welcome to the channel. Let's get into the video.
10 Facts about the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an Islamic ivory white marble mausoleum on the right bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. Here are some of the most interesting facts about the Taj Mahal. 1. The Taj Mahal was created by Emperor Shah Jahan for his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. 2. The Taj Mahal's color changes constantly throughout the day. 3. It took 20 years and 20,000 workers to build. 4. The name Taj Mahal means crown palace in Persian. 5. The walls are inlaid with semi-precious stones and carved with Quran passages. 6. There is a legend that Shah Jahan wanted to build a black marble Taj for himself. 7. 1,000 elephants were used to transport the building materials to Agra. 8. The Taj Mahal's gardens are similar to British gardens. 9. The Taj Mahal is visited by millions of people a year. 10. The best times to visit the Taj are sunrise, sunset, and night. That's it for today. If this video helped you know more about the